Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Shashrikal. Namaskar. I am AB again with you with the AB blog. So welcome to the AB blog. So thanks for your subscribers and like and comments for the previous video. So today we are having a new item and we are having a new guest also. So welcome our guest. We can meet the guys.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. What shake today making?
Yeah, today I am making to make the dessert safari shake today.
Special guys.
Special. Your good name?
Good.
Name?
Yusuf.
Yusuf.
Yeah.
Other?
Ayman.
Ayman. Welcome. So we will go for making the shake and we'll give it to you. Okay. Thank you. Come.
Okay.
Okay. These are the items are here. So let's start. Okay. Yusuf and Ayman.
Yes.
See, this is the items. So the special thing we are going to make dessert safari special shake for you. Okay. So these are the items we are going to use. Now first of all, you can see what are the items required. So first of all, there is milk. We can see this ice. We put in the freezer and make it ice. Banana. You can see the Good Day biscuit. And again sugar, kajur, then grapes, then nuts, mint leaf, this one almond, walnut and saja seed. And you can see one colorful ice. This is actually milk. We just prepared, add the color ingredient, and finally you can see there we having the Horlicks also. So these are the ingredients we are going to use today for this shake. Ayman, shoo for the kaif tartib, okay? Shoo for the milk. We are just putting some milk, ice like this. Okay, for preparing the shake. Okay, then we are putting some almond. Shoo, almond. Then we are just keeping the Horlicks. 1 spoon and again half. Okay. Then we are going for the sugar. Sugar at least we can add for this one 4 teaspoon. So you will get good taste. 4 teaspoon. So just we are adding the 4 teaspoon. So this is the first ingredient for this one, and just putting 2 nuts also. Okay. So we will grind this and after that we will come back. Okay. So this thing is ready. Shoo, Ayman, Yusuf, Shal, the shake the tartif. Special. And a shoo for the kaif decorate tartif. Okay. And a shoo for the kaif tartif. Okay. Now shoo the ice mawjood, the milk tartif. Okay, milk the color. Okay, the 4 piece tartif minni 1 cup 4 piece. Okay, 1 cup 4 piece. And char. And another cup also is here. So 1. So if 1 or 3 is okay for you, 3 or 4 maximum, no problem. Okay. So that is the first stage, and now we are just pouring little bit there. So little bit, just ज़्यादा माय रीत शोई शुफ अदा शोई या ज़्यादा माय रीत. Now the biscuit you can see. Just we can put a biscuit here like this. Shuf biscuit. Okay. Baadin Horlicks. Shuf for the kaif tartif Horlicks. Show you Horlicks. Baadin minni mawjood. Nuts mawjood. Shuf show you nuts. Baadin grapes. Nuts tartif. Show you nuts. grapes. That banana we cut already. See, you can see some banana. So 1 or 2 piece banana. See how we are just decorating this one. This is very healthy food for all. So even the kids also can do. And walnut we are putting. 2-3 walnuts you can put here. Okay, again the walnut we can put here for this one also. Now almond is coming. See how it looks. And again we are putting some almonds. And again we are going for a biscuit. One piece. See the biscuits we are putting. Now again we are pouring the shake. See, just pour some shake. And now we are going for the ice. Second color. This is for a decoration only, nothing more or nothing less. But for a decoration purpose, that is good. You can see the color changes is coming. Sorry, was it stuck here? 3-4 eyes you can prepare like this. And now we can see here also. So how you feel to see this one? Nice, huh?
Yeah.
That is good. And we are pouring some sort of saja seeds. Saja seeds we can pour like this. See, saja seeds is good for our health also. So it's totally a healthy one. So we can see how it's feel. Now again we are coming with the ice of this milk. So just for a decoration we are preparing. So it's spreading like anything, no problem. Because we don't have the ice cream mafi. So, okay. So change milk. Stop. 50 paisa.
Okay.
Ice cream mafi. So milk kullu milk tartif. Mafi mushkil. Now we will decorate. So now again going for this one before we will decorate like this, some sort of decoration. So we will do the design. So this is the design we are just keeping for a fun. So let's see how it's feel. And now we are taking the another thing, this nuts for another design. And again we are taking this nuts for here the design. Yeah, now we are coming to the mint leaf. Okay, so mint leaf we are keeping here. Okay, then another mint leaf we are keeping for you, Ayman, because this is Ayman special for you. Sorry. شوف كذا كيف ترتيب بعدين شوف هذا شوي هورليكس مني شوف nice to see, huh? Yeah, good. So our thing is ready. Okay. Yeah, Ayman.
Yes, sir.
Yusuf, شوف هذا shake ready. شوف Ayman, sorry, Yusuf, Ayman.
Thank you.
Okay, just taste this one. These are the spoons for you.
Thank you.
So this is the desert safari special shake, huh? taste and tell how is the thing.
Very nice.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, Mr. Aiden.
thank you.
زين رقم واحد
Then,
مرة رقم واحد.
okay.
Thank you.
So, anything to tell to our subscribers, Ayman?
All body try in the home. Very nice and barabar.
Okay.
عصير صراحة رقم واحد. ضربوا لكم الصبح كلاس وبالليل كلاس.
وانصحكم تجربوه في البيت.
مرة وقربوا في البيت، طبعا على طول روحكم سووا يعني. صباح وما يكلف حتى 10 دقائق ما يكلف، رقم واحد. ثانك يو سير.
Thank you, Ayman.
Thank
So,
you.
Eid Mubarak.
عيد مبارك. كل
So-
عام وانتم بخير. عيدهم.
كل عام وانتم بخير وبصحة وبعافية جميعا طبعا.
Thank you, Ayman. Thank you.
Welcome.
And you please subscribe my channel. And I having my cameraman with me. So today you can see my cameraman after long time. He is with me. I am just showing my cameraman. See, this is our guru. In all times in camera it's coming. And my another time is there. Sridhar, Chinnaya, and everybody is there. So be safe and try in your home. This is the called Desert Safari Special Shake, and be safe. Eid Mubarak to all. Thank you.